Excuse me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing on top of the bed in the hotel? Getting into trouble? Always finding ways to get into trouble. That's for sure. You already ate it. You want some more? I have another one. Yeah, you're hungry. She's hungry, baby. Amazingly enough. Be careful. Sit down, Emily. Emily. Sit down. Listen to Mama. Oh, look at you. Mwah. Sucker. Do you want this one? Does it say USA on your butt? Does it say USA on your butt? Where's Daddy? You think we made good time?
I think we did. What do you think?
Yeah, we don't really catch traffic. Look at that face. Baby, her hair's growing fast. Are you dancing? Or are you going to be gymnast? What are you doing? Crazy girl? Where? That's an apple. You want to eat it? Mom, open it for you?
Mom.
Yeah?